Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace or repair the starter motor on Seat Ibiza. The procedure is similar for Seat Leon and some Volkswagens. The starter motor on this car is located on the front of the engine, in front of the transmission. It's located right there. The starter motor is held by two bolts, one on top, one on bottom. Also, you need to remove this electrical connector for the solenoid cable, and also you need to remove this plastic cover and then remove the 13mm bolt for the power cable to the starter motor. That's one of the bolts that we need to remove. First, there is a nut that we need to remove the negative cable, and then there is a bolt afterwards. We'll start by taking this air intake pipe to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to pull out this plastic cover and remove the 13mm nut for the power cable. But before removing this nut, first we're going to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. And now we're going to remove the 13mm nut for the power cable. Next, we're going to start removing the two bolts, but before removing the bolt, the upper bolt, first we need to remove this nut and to remove this ground cable, and then we can remove the bolt. Now that we remove the ground cable, here is the bolt holding the starter motor on top, and it's the same on the bottom. In order to get to the bottom bolt of the starter motor, first we need to remove this engine under tray. Now I have access to the starter motor. It's the same again. Before removing the bolt for the starter motor, first we're going to remove this nut and remove this whole metal plate, and then we can remove the bolt for the starter. Here's the bolt for the starter motor that we need to remove. Now that both bolts are removed, we can take out the starter motor. The starter motor might not want to come out, so you might want to use a pry bar to help it out a little bit, to pry it out. If it doesn't work with a pry bar, maybe get a screwdriver and a hammer and just put the screwdriver in between the starter and the gearbox, and you make the starter motor move away from the gearbox. We can see the hole is getting bigger, so the starter motor is now getting free, and now we can take out the starter. And that's the starter motor out. Now we can repair it or replace it, and then install it in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.